So before we start this video, I just feel like I should make myself clear that, we're not trained mechanics, and we really tried the best that we could. We had a lot of mistakes. Man, whatever. We did the water pump, timing belt, we changed all the gaskets, we did the rear main seal. I don't even care what anybody says anymore. We did that. No regular can do that. Pulled up, already started leaking. Oh, you trying to trade wheels just for a day?
No.
Look at all these red labels, baby. We got the good stuff. Don't pay attention to the non-OEM stuff. Look at the OEM stuff. Look at that red label, red label, red label. You know what I'm saying? Bro, this is like buying like original like Gucci and shit. You know what Nah, this car can get out of here, bro. You and your freaking broken ass radiator fan can get on stepping. You better start treating me right. So, well, first thing we're gonna do is take out the oil and then the coolant. But he's gonna do it because it's his car, right? And we're learning.
This is gonna go terrible.
It's gonna go great.
Cause look, you gotta look at the angle. It's gonna go.
Brother.
It's gonna go all the way over there.
It's adjustable. Alright, bro. What size? No, we're not using that for the freaking oil pan, bro.
Why not?
That's for the tires.
That's for the oil pan.
We do not use impacts on sensitive parts like that, especially something that if you strip is cooked.
This one looks like it's been used for oil.
Well, I'll tell you this.
Speaking to me.
What size is that?
16.
Nope.
Says ooh, bro.
Tell you what, the sizes that we use is 14, 17, 19, and 10 mils and 12s. 14
is speaking to me.
Nope.
12.
Nope.
You going bigger?
Mm-hmm.
18.
God damn.
Oh.
Hey, bro, we're just learning, right?
Off.
We're just learning. I'm probably not even gonna put that in the video. Yeah, that rack is dummy proof. It say off, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't have to put that. Okay.
Put what? Why not? Don't do it?
Nothing. Just get comfortable.
Yo, it look-y don't fit.
Later. It was a 17. I will beat.
No, I'm not. I'm really looking at it.
Look at that latex.
Destroy these.
Before you get that latex.
Bro, what?
What?
Now, how strong is the velocity of the thing of oil?
Hold on.
How smoking burning is this gonna be?
It's not gonna be that hot. Don't be a bitch.
No leakage? No leakage so far? No leakage?
No leakage.
Oh. Yo, is that a valid color?
I think you were just putting oil in there. Where would I put the coolant?
In a plastic bag. Hold it.
All right. We're probably gonna lower it and put it in a bucket.
I bet. Why not? What's the difference between a plastic bag and a bucket?
Structural rigidity. Yeah, them hose clamps, I'm not jacking it, bruh. We got the right one.
Right here.
Oh, yeah, we got the right one.
And the clamp.
Oh, and we got the right clamp. How many rounded nuts did we encounter? Nuts and bolts.
Probably like 3.
So what we learned, 13 is not a 12. Right? I'm gonna do some valve adjusting. This is for the D16Y8. Those are the dimensions. Yeah, I got all this nice, beautiful paperwork. I did my homework. Who didn't do their homework? Who didn't do their homework?
You should have reminded me.
Acting like a real jit. I told you this a year ago.
Exactly.
You had a whole year.
Exactly.
Exactly what?
But even then,
Water break.
I probably would have found something wrong. I would have did something wrong.
You have a whiteboard? Yeah, I had a whiteboard. What about it? I understand about it. What are you doing for me? Because I got a whiteboard. Are you mad that that I had to organize myself? Nope. So what's the problem? I'm saying show you the whiteboard here. That's something they would say. Anyway, let's get to work.
Ooh, snap. Boy got the cleanest pistons in the century.
Let's go.
This that tablet that you use for
Pooping.
Oh hell no. Nah, this is what we use to scan stuff. It has the OBD2 scanner thing here. Plug it into the car. And I took off crank bolt. Put that there, and then you have somebody else get like a breaker bar. Yeah, no, that wasn't happening. Big Poppy over here, Mr. DeWalt. Yeah, he had to do that. This is gross. This is nasty. So I made a list. First thing we're gonna do is take out the valve cover. Do all the gaskets for that, timing cover, and then we'll set it to top dead center. Do all the timing belt stuff. Then I gotta take out the oil pan, change the gasket on that, and put all that back, and then we'll do the valve adjustment. We could go to Walmart. We just need
transition. Bro doesn't know how to do transitions. Really,
I farted. That's what I meant. I farted. You see this? But we still need to get like brake cleaner and stuff to clean underneath the car, because that is a shit dookie ton amount of oil. Am I right or am I right?
Nah, you are very right.
Like up here it's not that bad, but then you get down low to the floor and it's just like, god damn, that shit is stanky wanky.
What's up?
Yup. Then I wear to Walmart and shit. Whoa, is that the police? Whoa, dude. Think of rev matching with like slide canceling.
Is that what that's like?
Bro, what we here to get?
We're here to get some brake and cleaner.
That good. That good that I need to get ID'd for.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Good thing I'm over the age of 18, baby.
So am I.
Oh, we in the wrong secciones. Oh, you do need to get some...
Coolant? Which one is it? Platinum or anti-heat?
we can do that tomorrow when you have your credit card. All right. Where's that good? Oh, right here. Contact cleaner. That's what I need. Brake parts cleaner right here. Oh. Non-chlorinated. That's what I'm talking about. If it doesn't give me cancer, I don't want it. Let's see. Ooh, a lot of red warnings. What about this one? Nothing.
Wait, no.
Nothing. I honestly think that this one might be better for you. Let's see if it's creamy. Okay. Damn, don't whiff that shit.
That was crazy, bro.
Alright.
Oh, it already dissolved.
I literally said don't whiff
Yeah,
that
but
shit.
it already dissolved, so I didn't smell it.
I just...
Bro, the name is called gunk.
Yeah, gunk, bro.
Are you kidding me?
And that's what you got. Don't be like, oh, are you kidding? That's what you got. Okay?
Staking and shaking.
Staking and shaking. I be staking my shit, you know what I'm saying?
What?
I be shaking my steak and shit. Ready for this VTEC?
Yeah.
Back from Walmart. Back from Walmart. Chaduki.
Gunk.
That got that gunk-a-dunk.
And gunk.
And we got that gunk-a-dunk-a-dunk.
Chill.
But for electrical.
That's it.
Back from Walmart. Alright, I'll stop being stupid. Leaky Lizzo over here. Took me so long. And it's because I'm not used to this D series, right? There's a couple things, you know, there's something specific about a motor that is very, very specific that people forget to mention. And for me, I did not know it was this goddamn dipstick. I got you cleaning over here. That dipstick, first of all, it needs to come out. Right here, clean it. I broke the damn dipstick, right? But the actual tube, it needed to come out. Can I hold it? Right? So, I mean, it comes out really easily. It's just like, you know, it plugs in right there. But, basically, it's on the side. It's pretty much like this. And it's covering this bolt that I didn't see, and this bolt. And there's no way to get it without removing the dipstick. So that was a pain in my butt cheeks. And not to mention, I was smothered in oil. I done cut myself. Went through 2 pair of gloves. I mean, this is not fun. I literally had to have this man start cleaning just because there's so much crap. Alright.
He's a virgin when it comes to the mac and cheese.
Alright, so for some context, little bro over here said mac and cheese. You want to say what you said?
Mac and cheese is not good?
Mac and cheese is not good.
Bro, you just never had some good mac and cheese, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
You never had that mac and cheese.
When's the last time you had mac and cheese?
I don't know.
You never had good mac and cheese, bro. You never had good mac and cheese.
So you sure you're not talking about like no Kraft mac and cheese, that microwave stuff?
Nah, bro, that's what that man had, bro.
Who made the last mac and cheese that you had?
I don't remember.
It's a whole different
don't remember.
experience,
Now
bro.
you know that you could throw everything out in the garbage when they say I don't remember, I don't recall. Like give me a time frame, bruh. How
Years?
many years? Yeah, years.
Alright, years.
Alright, bro. How many years?
I don't know.
Oh my God! Nah, this is horrible. This is horrible. This is horrible.
Man never had
This
a
is
good
horrible.
in his life.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Why are you
saying.
so light skinned, bro? Why do you hold the camera like a light skinned dude, bro?
I did not do that.
Single time, bro.
I did not do that. I did not do that.
I did not do that.
So what?
I did not do that. Oh my gosh.
Let's see. I already changed the seal over here. Yeah, get back to work. I changed the seal here. Now we got to take off the oil pan.
No, don't turn it up.
Nah, bro. How did you get this in here, bro? That's what I want to know. And how are you gonna get it out?
So you come at an angle like this,
Oh,
and
okay.
then that.
Oh, really?
But, like,
Well,
once
do the
it's-
opposite. No,
once it's there-
no. Do the opposite.
No, you idiot, because once it's there.
Oh, I'm the idiot because I put this in there.
Who's the one that told me to get a smaller extension?
I did.
Alright. Alright, okay.
So you get a happy medium instead of a small.
This is quite little. You said smaller.
Yeah.
Boy.
Alright. Yeah, because it's my fault. Womp, womp, womp. What you looking for?
Yo, which one do I get, bruh?
I'd say the advanced.
Show the peeps.
Ay, ay, ay. Diablo! Look at that crack. Major crackage over here. On that side and underneath. We couldn't see it. It was caked up in oil, but that is not okay.
What have you done today?
Nothing. We went to the junkyard. Oil pans, all of them were steel. None of them were the aluminum one like this. We did do the water pump, change the alternator. We just gotta tighten up everything. I'm gonna do the valve adjustment once I put on the timing belt, and then we're done with timing and all this shenanigans. And then we're probably gonna move to the transmission tomorrow.
So basically, I just timed this belt right here by myself. You can see it's all good because I see that lines with that.
You did it.
Yeah.
By yourself.
Do you see the tools in my hand? Duh. And I already did the rotation, so everything's aligned, no knocking, so we're all good.
No knocking?
No.
That's what's up, bro. That's what's up.
No ticking, no nothing. I timed it perfectly. This is actually really easy.
Yep, super easy.
You let the tensioner loose, you unbolt it a little bit, and then put the teeth on there. It'll be tight on this side. Kind of just gotta like push the belt in there, and then you tighten it with the tension. Easy peasy. The lemon will squeeze before you. That's what you use, right?
No, actually, I use this.
Oh.
Yeah, owned.
What did you use?
Get a job.
Me get a job. Espérate. You know what? I'm putting a lien on your car because you didn't pay me shit. I'm putting a lien on this thing. This thing is not leaving.
Bro, it can't leave anyways, bro. I don't got a wheel.
Yeah, Lou can't leave.
Okay, smart ass. I put the damn wheel on.
Actually, I took the wheel off.
I'm about to beat your ass. I'm got this gasket right here. The seal. So, hoping
So
I
he
did it
can
because then I
solve.
gotta take this shit off.
Why?
What?
Why do you gotta take it off?
Take what off?
The crap?
Because I bought a cam seal. Well, you bought a cam seal.
Alexis, how much you already spent on the car? For this week.
Oh, this week?
For this week.
What do you mean?
$12 maybe?
No, like to get all the parts for this stuff to do what you're doing right now. How much you spent already?
So not this week.
But like to get ready for this week. That's what I meant.
So, the parts were like 500.
500 combined so far.
Yeah.
So you spent about $500 so far.
Yeah. Yeah.
You think you can get it up to?
I spent at least $1,000 on the car already.
Car already?
We were talking about the wheels.
Oh yeah, the wheels were like what, $650?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The wheels are mad nice. I can't lie. The engine coming back on. It's pretty much good.
No, actually, I forgot to take out the cam seal, so we're gonna do that. So I gotta take off the belt again.
How could you mess that up, bro?
What
You're
do
the
you
one
mean?
that did it.
I'm the one that did
Suck.
Whoa.
You freaking suck, dude.
Quite literally 4K on this, bro. 4K.
The master mechanic here, bro.
I didn't do it. Danny did all of it.
Stop the cap.
Play the replay. Nah. Put the replay on, bro.
So basically, I just timed this belt right here by myself. You can see it's all good because I see that lines with that.
You did it.
Yeah.
By yourself.
Do you see the tools in my hand? Duh.
What is it that you said? You did it with that tool that's in your hand.
No, I did it. La chapeadora.
Well, my boy. What do we have here?
Transmission automatic.
Yeah, so we just need to take that off. And we'll have access to the rear main seal. Bada bing, bada boom. It's fini.
Should probably clean it before it gets bad.
Yeah, we're gonna clean it right now. There's really no information on automatic D-series transmission. So I kind of just had to use my general knowledge. When you put in the transmission, you got to make sure that the torque converter is put on the transmission already. If y'all didn't know that, this is regular stuff. I already tried putting it in once. I did it wrong. No useful information I could find online about automatic D-series transmission. You search up D-series transmission automatic, and it's just a bunch of videos from auto to manual swap. The internet is saturated with that, but trying to just do regular maintenance and change your rear main seal, you have to pull up the transmission. Yeah, there's literally like hardly any information on that. I had to rethread some bolts, because when we were trying to put it back, my brother freaking stripped some threads. They could just like a chunky ass big brolic dude that's 5'6". He's like a mini pet. Oh, would you look at that? Everything is all put together.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Well. Who's back up on the list? I was so pissed, bro. Just started pissing, bro. Started pissing all over the floor. I just left like a nice trail on the way back. Broken glove having ass.
Where's that?
What's the point of wearing the glove having ass? Boy, don't even know how to get a new pair of gloves having ass. When there's a whole bucket of gloves right there having ass. Boy, you a
Bam. 14.
Dude, I think I might have to do it.
Do what?
This is easier to press in. Oh no, you're not going in the right way. Last time we did it like this, you came out uncircumcised.
What?
Facts. Oh, that's looking promising.
Okay. I'm gonna do it.
Do it. This guy's crazy.
You have it?
The chosen one. I mean, now, and then, block of wood. Block of wood? You still got any? We have one. Block of wood secured. Next is the mallet. Yeah? Yeah, no, that actually like looks solid.
Ay, Dios mío.
This is tech.
That don't work.
There's really no other way of saying it, but...
That should be
Uncircumcised.
Nah, it's hard. Okay, facts. No, facts though. Take facts and chat.
like, comment, subscribe, mother.
That was gas.
Let's go, dude. Right? Reassembly time, baby. Now look at what we have in here.
Wow. So organized, so simple, so easy. There's no lights on my dash. Like this feels abnormal, bro. Like there's no way a 99 Civic should have no lights on.
Facts.